One-sided love. Words which I can't speak. You that my eyes always wanted to seek. Things which I want to keep hidden in my heart of ocean deep. Started all with your sweet smile. My eyes stuck on you for a while. Never saw such a magnificent face. For a moment, everyone around me was erased. Always wanted to call your name and say hello. The moment I approach, in mid, someone comes and you go. I wish the day we meet, we become friends. The start of our journey never ends. Wow, the day came. We are on the path that is same. She greeted me by saying hello. My heartbeat was high, but my heart keeps saying, Amor, be calm and low. Day passed. We were both friends, waiting to tell magical words with you that ends. First time seeing someone, my heart melted and my eyes shook. You killed me with your mental and physical look. Always tried in every way to show how much I love you, but in deep heart of yours, the friendship was true. Don't know for you how much I mean to be, but you are second after my mom to me. She is the one guarded my heart, soul and mind. Why in the time of happiness and sorrow, your name I always find. This one-sided love tear me apart. You never noticed? Has broken my heart. You are the reason I came to know that love is true. I wish you love me without knowing how much I love you. Always think of you, wants to be with you. Hold your hands, wait for you, stay eternal with you. All this is because I love. Why my lips always stuck at you? One day you will find my words are enough to express my love for you. So friends, what is your suggestion to Amor? Should he approach to her and say out what he feels for her? Or he should continue with his friendship that used to be? Write in the comment section.